Okie dokie, so we just got to Rufford, we've parked up. We're going to go off on a little walk. And I haven't bought my headphones this morning, which will be a mistake because I do like to listen to my podcast when I'm going round, but it is also a glorious day. So it's nice to be out in the woods, because in the wood a bit, go walking and exploring. Now I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm gonna go right, gonna go left, gonna go right, gonna go left. Ooh, which way are we gonna go? Which way are we gonna go, Bruce? Which way are we going? Which way? This way or this way? All right then, left. All he wants is a squirrel. Oh, I'm so pleased the better weather has come. So needed. Come on then. Come on. Loves a good sniff. Come on. It's blooming Henry VIII. How weird. What's Henry VIII doing here? Number 6, Ham. Henry VIII. We're going to see the Abbey. All nice and sunny. Aren't we, Bruce? Sometimes I take my hat off to itch my head, and sometimes I take it off to have photos because I don't want anybody to think I've got no hair. I've got loads of hair. But I realised I could probably put it on back to front, and that would show that I've got hair. Or maybe it'll look like I've got a wig on, which I haven't. You're right, Babs. Dog stopped to have a sniff. Oh, it's warming up definitely. There's the Abbey. We're just up to my favourite tree. And then off to go around the lake, which will be lovely. Very nice walk. And then, which is really exciting, go home. I'm going to see if I can eat something. I've got some eggs. I'm going to try and make myself scrambled egg on toast, which I know I can eat scrambled eggs because I've had scrambled eggs before. I'm going to try and see. Might actually stop at the shop and get some sausages. I do fancy a bit of a breakfast. I don't think I'm going to be able to eat the sausage, but I can definitely eat the scrambled egg, so that's good. Hi, duckies. Such a beautiful view of water. Look, Bruce. Okie dokie. So, not long left of the walk, but it is so lovely. It's starting to heat up. And it's such a lovely day to get out there.